Going?
When you go to school.
School?
Yeah. Then when you help in school.
Yeah? Dayton's going to school. Are you excited?
Yeah, and my mom too.
Hold on. Sit here and talk to Daddy.
What are you going to learn in school, bud?
My cool.
Huh?
My cool.
You're going to go to school?
Yeah, my cool. My friend.
You're going to make new friends?
Um,
You're going to learn how to count and spell
Baby.
and write your name?
I don't like my name.
What is your name? You know your name.
How old are you? 4?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, my hair is way curly today. A Gatorade bottle from Travis yesterday.